Hey folks, how many of you like barbecue or that charcoal flamed smell that comes with food that is barbecued? I'm actually vegan, so I don't use meat, but I do barbecue vegetables and other things. But sometimes when you're living in a certain place, you don't have time to barbecue, so you can use a product like this. That's right, liquid smoke. And I'm using one hand to hold the camera and one hand to open. I know I should mount the camera, but I'm trying to take it off so you can see how well it's sealed. Has an outer seal, then has an inner seal, so the packaging is pretty good. That's what it looks like. Usually I just pour it in a bowl with some sauce and mix it together, but you could pour it directly onto the food or use it how you like. Here I'm mixing it with some barbecue sauce, stirring it together, and then I'm going to put it on these lentil burgers. Yeah, these are all vegan. Don't have any meat. You get a smell of smoke, pecan smoked, and I'm going to give it a rating between 1 to 5. From 1 it sucks bad to 5 is excellent. So for the presentation I gave it a 4. It's pretty good. Alright bottle. I like how it's packaged. The size is not so good. It's a very small bottle. You can see how small it is in my hand. And the price goes along with the size. I mean, it's a bit pricey. The availability is not a common item. Sometimes you may have to special order it. The taste now is very good. It does add to your food. Some people say it's very strong. I don't find it is, but tell me what you think. Don't forget to subscribe, like, press the notification bell.